Sprout Me! Want to grow your own cucumbers? Follow these easy steps. Step 1. Choose the right spot. Pick a sunny spot with well-draining soil. Cucumbers need lots of sunlight and warmth to grow. Step 2. Prepare the soil. Mix in compost or well-rotted manure to enrich the soil. Cucumbers love nutrient-rich, slightly acidic soil. 3. Plant the seeds. Sow the seeds about 1 inch deep, spaced about a foot apart. If using trellises, plant them closer for better support. Step 4. Water regularly. Keep the soil evenly moist, but avoid waterlogging. Deep watering encourages strong roots and prevents bitter cucumbers. Step 5. Support the vines. Cucumbers grow as vines, so provide a trellis or support to keep them off the ground. This improves air circulation and reduces disease. Feed and care. Fertilize every few weeks with a balanced fertilizer. Watch for pests like aphids and beetles and remove them by hand or with natural sprays. Step 7. Harvest time. Pick cucumbers when they're firm and the right size for their variety. Harvesting frequently encourages more fruit production. Got your own cucumber growing tips? Share them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, only on Sprout Me, where gardening is fun and fruitful. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe to Sprout Me for more gardening tips. Let's grow together.